Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the MacBook A1502. In this video, we'll walk you through essential steps to keep your device running smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, gather the necessary tools for this process: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver for the exterior screws, a T5 Torx screwdriver for the internal screws, a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning, and isopropyl alcohol for deeper cleaning. You may also need a spudger to gently disconnect components. Begin by powering off your MacBook and unplugging it from all power sources. Next, flip the device upside down. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 10 screws securing the bottom case. Make sure to keep these screws organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. As you remove each screw, place it in a small container or a magnetic tray. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom case off. Be cautious of the clips around the edges. With the case off, you can now see the internal components of your MacBook. This is a great time to perform a visual inspection. Look for dust accumulation on the fans and heat sinks. A buildup of dust can lead to overheating, so it's important to clean these areas. Use the soft microfiber cloth and a bit of isopropyl alcohol to carefully wipe down surfaces. For hard-to-reach areas, a compressed air canister can be very effective. If you find that cleaning isn't enough or if you notice any performance issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any underlying issues that may not be immediately visible. Now, let's focus on the battery. If you've experienced any battery problems, check the battery connector. It's secured with a T5 Torx screw, so use your T5 screwdriver to remove it carefully. Inspect the connector for any signs of damage or corrosion. If everything looks good, reattach the connector securely. If you need a replacement, consider our service. We provide a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Next, check the storage drive. Upgrade options are available if you're looking to enhance performance. If you don't have the tools or expertise for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about any inconvenience. No calls, no travel, just efficient service right at your doorstep. After you've completed these checks and cleanings, it's time to reassemble your MacBook. Carefully place the bottom case back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws using your P5 screwdriver, making sure they are tight but not overly so. This will prevent any potential damage when handling your MacBook. Lastly, power on your device and monitor its performance. If you still notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. We're here to help you get the most out of your MacBook A1502. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.